Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate First Horizon debit card. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate your First Horizon debit card, start by locating the card in your possession. Ensure that you have your personal identification information ready. Next, find a phone or computer with internet access. If using a phone, open your dialer and call the number provided on the back of your debit card. Listen carefully to the instructions given by the automated system. Follow the prompts to enter your card number. You may also need to input your social security number for verification. Once your card is verified, you will be prompted to create a PIN. Select a 4-digit PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Complete the activation process by following any remaining instructions from the system. If you prefer to activate online, visit the First Horizon website. Log into your online banking account or create a new account if you have not done so. Navigate to the section for card activation. Enter the required card information as prompted. Provide any additional personal information requested for verification. Once all information is entered, submit your details to complete the activation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your debit card is now active. Finally, test your card by making a small purchase or withdrawing cash from an ATM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.